How to clear ChatGPT memory. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update ChatGPT to the latest version. After updating, open up ChatGPT on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on the profile at the bottom left corner. Now on the settings page, simply tap on personalization. Now on the personalization page, you can find different options: memory, custom instructions, color scheme, and language. Now simply tap on memory. Now tap on manage memory. Now at the bottom menu, tap on clear ChatGPT's memory and tap on clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.